gonna make momo.
Yay!
Momos. You know what momos are?
Yes. They're like dumplings.
This is it's like dumplings.
Except they're filled with shrimp and only shrimp.
No, you can fill whatever you want. And we are gonna make it whole wheat today, whole wheat wrapper. So, and we are gonna make it everything from scratch. So we are gonna start making the dough first, and then we are gonna make stuffing, and later on we are gonna steam it. So let's start making
the stuffing.
Stuffing. We are gonna make it Indo-Chinese this time. So it's gonna be paneer. No, it's gonna be vegetarian. Paneer and some bell pepper and stuff, and some sauce. We'll explain that later. Okay. So let's do 1 cup of whole wheat flour, Oj, half cup of all-purpose flour.
This man.
Yeah. Ray, half teaspoon salt.
I don't know if I can do this after yesterday.
No, don't do
I spilled like an entire cup into the processor when we were making like cream and cheese stuff. So it's kind of
Yeah, don't do that.
Probably do it over here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, this is close enough, right?
You already spilled some?
This is close enough, right?
Yeah, that's fine. It's okay. It doesn't have to be precise measurement because it's not baking. So I'm baking it. Okay. Now, Oj, half teaspoon of half cup of water, regular water. So you can make it with hand in a bowl, or you can use your stand mixer. We are using our dough maker to make the dough. Half cup water, and we just need to make it into a soft dough. Nothing special. That's it. Okay. And once we make the dough, we'll rest it for around 30 minutes.
3 hours.
No, 30 minutes.
30 minutes. And actually, while the dough will be resting, we will chop our vegetables. We have some paneer and bell pepper, red and green. We'll show it again, right?
Yeah.
Ginger.
So we will do some chopping, and then we'll start making the stuffing.
This is ginger.
So
this is ginger, right?
This is ginger.
I'm so smart.
Yeah. Okay. Stop eating it right away. So we have everything chopped here. Actually let's make the sauce first. So one person is gonna do the wet ingredients, and one person
Me.
Okay, you're gonna do wet ingredients. Okay, that's fine. Oj, you come here. Wait, I'm gonna tell you, Rick. Wait, I'm gonna tell you. Okay, 1 tablespoon of
Can I eyeball it?
each. A little bit here and there is fine. No, Rick. Oh, there I won't know. Can you tell?
No, it's a little bit less.
Okay, then add some more. But if you add too much of soya sauce, then it's gonna
Yeah, that seems about right. We can always add more if we're putting too much less.
Okay, because if you add too much soya sauce, it will make it watery. The stuffing will be watery. It will be difficult for us to
I guess we'll
stuff
know.
it in. Yeah. And so now this is soya sauce, around 1 tablespoon. But I think you have
How much of this?
A little bit less. Again, 1 tablespoon.
That's fine. That's fine.
Rick, measure it until it's confusing. Oh, Oj. 1 table. Actually, can I start with this? 1 tablespoon corn starch. Corn flour. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, that's fine.
Is this fine?
Yeah. You don't have to be precise, so it's fine.
It's not coming out.
Take a small spoon.
Next, we do this.
Yes.
Mom, can I get a small spoon?
Oh, it's brown sugar.
Yeah, it's brown
Oh,
sugar,
yes,
1
yes.
tablespoon here. Okay.
Let's scooch this a little.
Yeah, let's move a little bit to that side.
Now the ketchup won't come
Mom.
off the spoon.
That's fine.
Alright. And now, finally, we do salt.
Yeah, but salt not 1 tablespoon.
Done.
That would be too much.
Done.
That's good, done. Okay. Keep it here. And Oj, half teaspoon. Where's the measurement? Half teaspoon. Here. Half teaspoon salt. And then, and let's mix this thing.
Let me do this over here.
That's fine.
This is why you always put it over the sink.
Okay.
I'm gonna pour it back in.
No, it's fine. Did you drop a lot?
Sort of. Like that should be correct.
Okay. So we're just gonna mix.
Raw
the
paneer is
sauce a
very,
little
very
bit.
good. It's a cooking tip.
Now, if you want, you can taste the sauce.
Sure. That's good.
Good. Okay. Now let's add all the vegetable parts.
Good.
Is it spicy? Do you want it more spicy?
Could do with a lot more soy sauce.
No.
You mean
no,
salt?
No.
No soy sauce.
So as of now, it will make it watery. Okay.
No.
Rig, stop eating. Stop eating. Stop eating. Okay. So let's add paneer. Who's gonna add paneer?
Me.
Okay. Oh,
How
you
is
start
that?
adding-
What is it?
So that's 8 ounces of paneer. I have cut it in
Here,
small,
right?
yeah, small cubes. And this is yeah, bell pepper. You can use just one bell pepper. I mean one kind, just green or just red. I have used green and red. Total around 1 cup. So this is half cup of red bell pepper and half cup of green bell pepper. Yes. And I have some ginger. Ginger here, around 1 inch of ginger, and I have minced it finely, and then around 3 garlic cloves. So this is approximately 2 tablespoons of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic. If you can always change the measurement, if you like something more, you can always add that more. And we have 1/4 cup of spring onion, and I have 1 green chili. I've deseeded it because, oh hold on, did we add this?
Nope.
Nope, we did. Oh. So this is Sambal Olek, this is chili paste.
What did you
kind
say?
of.
Sambal Olek?
Yeah, this is what it says. Yeah. So since we are gonna add this, I deseeded the green chili. So, but we forgot. So now we are gonna add it.
This is ketchup.
Yeah, let's use another spoon. So
I need your long spindly finger.
that was your job, Ray. Ray, this was your job,
And you
right?
screwed it up. It's all your fault.
I didn't screw it up.
I told you to measure all the.
Well, it was put over
I'm gonna
here.
make it-
Okay.
That's where all the dry stuff is.
Mom, you
Really?
didn't mix it. Now look.
It's okay. We can mix it now. We'll mix everything together. So, oh, start putting everything in there. Yeah, and then let me mix it. Use the spatula. Are you eating chili? Isn't it spicy?
No, it's deseeded.
It's deseeded, but still a little bit of
Oh my
membrane
god, Mom,
is
I
there.
can't believe I actually tricked you. I was actually eating paneer.
You're eating paneer? Okay.
Why are you eating paneer? Oh my god.
Okay.
It's kind of spicy.
Rick, but you work first and then eat.
Oh god, that's spicy.
What was it?
I didn't kill it.
Green chili? Okay.
And then you said you tricked us?
Yeah.
Dude, this
No, I
backfired.
did. I actually did though.
This is backfired, bro.
Okay, I will put green chili.
I'll put this in.
Yeah, you put that in. So this is it. The stuffing is ready. If you guys want, you can taste it. If it needs
chilies in there, I'm not tasting it.
Who asked you to eat green chili just like that?
You.
No. Okay, now taste it. If it needs more salt, then we are gonna eat. No, it tastes a little bit.
I need that.
Taste a little bit. Yeah, just paneer. And if it needs salt, then we are gonna add salt.
I'm just gonna
not
eat
soy
this.
sauce.
I'm just gonna eat this.
Okay. Is it fine?
It's very good.
It's spicy.
Spice is good.
Uh-huh.
Everything fine. That's good. So the stuffing is ready. You can mince all the vegetables in a food processor if you want. I have chopped it like small cubes. I don't mind chopping it using knife, but yeah, to make it. Okay, our dough is ready. It's a soft dough. It's not very not sticky, but it's not too stiff, so that we can roll it easily.
Oh, stop.
It's okay.
I wanna roll it.
Now, okay.
Can I roll it? Oh yes, I get to roll it.
I'm gonna poke it. It's poked.
Okay, who wants to make it and who wants to roll?
I want both.
You want both? Okay,
I want both.
we can do both.
I'll roll
But
it. I'll roll it. Like a tiny bit thing.
Oh, you'll have to make it thin.
Oh my god. I gotta make it thin.
I can
And
do
you
it.
can use some dry flour here.
How do I pick it up?
Okay, you know what? Maybe I can.
Oh, I can do it. I can do it, Mom. I can do it. I'm really, really good.
I'm really good. I'm really good.
Okay.
See, look, it's getting flat.
Yeah, that's fine. I know, it's just that. Let me start the first one and then you can. Okay, now.
No, you ruined it. Oh my god.
We need to make it thin.
Oh man, oh I folded on it.
Yeah, and don't lift it.
I'm gonna fold you. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's fine. A little bit. Let me check.
Oh!
Let me check if it's even or not. I think you're good.
Come on, then why are you rolling it more?
Because mommy's better. You said it was good. Mommy's better.
Okay, this is good. And now, where is the cookie cutter? So now we are using 4-inch cutter. And now.
No.
Oh, hold on.
Go to the very edge.
Stop.
Right here. Doom. Done.
Okay, and I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of stuffing.
That's where I was
In the
going.
middle.
Okay,
And then just
Actually,
pleat
so
it.
bad, though.
Okay, Oj, look, just pleat it like this.
Okay.
pleat it?
All the way
This
around.
is called, yeah, all the way around. All the way around, and that's the round one. You can leave the center open
No.
you
Pinch it. Pinch it.
You want to pinch? Okay,
I don't like it when it's open.
okay, then you can pinch it. That's fine.
Alright.
Okay, you want to
Oh,
make?
hold on. There's a tiny layer right there.
That's okay. You want to make?
So bad, though.
Rig, you want to make?
Yeah.
Yeah, you make it, and then so I will roll it, and then you guys can make it.
Like this is good, right?
Yeah, and I'll actually show you another design that's easier.
Oh yes, please.
Do you know?
You fold.
You guys
it
have made it
around?
before. Try that, otherwise I'll show you another design.
We like pinch all 4 corners, right?
That's the second one.
Is that like the easier design?
Try this one
Okay.
once.
Wait, what was the design? I never saw.
Yeah, you never saw. See what Oj is doing.
What's
Pleat it, and then.
How's he doing that?
Alright, the first masterpiece, I guess.
Okay, I will roll
This needs
it.
to be pinched.
Okay, so now I will show you guys another design.
Perfect.
Okay.
So you take this
When
and
you eat it, plain, raw.
around 1 tablespoon stuffing, and then you hold. You basically get all 4 corners to the center.
right. So you fold it like this.
Oh, and
Then you
fold
add
this
in
in
this
like
one like this. Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
all 4 corners to the center, and then just pinch the edges.
Yeah, I remember.
Yes.
This design.
This is an easy design. You guys can make it easily.
So it's supposed to look like this, I guess.
Yeah.
No, it's supposed to look like this.
Right,
Okay.
same thing.
This is the consistency of the dough. It's soft, but not too sticky. Now I roll it this thin. And then stuff it. And another design. All 4 points in the center. And then just close the seam.
So we got a fancy new steamer. It works on the amazing property of how does this thing work? I forgot. It like
You
heats
just-
water and stuff,
yeah.
and like it cooks this. It has
Oh,
fancy
Okay,
paper.
okay, got it. So we have the steamer and we put the wax paper or parchment paper in there, and then we are gonna put all the. Oh, yeah.
Oh no, only the square ones. Oh my god.
Okay,
these
you can
ones are
put square
ripping-
ones
these
in
ones
there.
are ripping apart.
You can put, yeah, okay, let's put square ones in there. And the round ones in here.
These aren't that round.
Yeah,
That's
this
okay.
isn't that square. Of course, all the good ones were made by me.
Okay.
All the bad ones were made by Rig, and all the good ones were too.
Exactly. Oh, you know it.
What?
Okay, just leave it there. Okay, one more. Okay, you just put it in here.
Wow.
Yay, Rig! Look! Your perfect
Okay,
thing is
that's
now.
pretty
So
Is
now we are gonna steam it for 10 minutes. 10 to 12 minutes.
Is there a cover? Is there a lid?
Yeah.
There's a lid.
And look, even a fancy lid.
Okay, so now it's gonna steam for around 10 to 12 minutes, and it should be done by then. We are done with one load.
Batch.
Now you guys can eat it, and then I'm gonna
Yes,
put the
ma'am.
second load. So we total made around 35. If you wanna make more, you
Oh
can
my God.
always.
It all went in.
That's okay, just a little bit of stuff.
It is very good.
Yeah, we used up almost all the stuffing, maybe just 2-3 tablespoons left. And oh, and I forgot to mention
Can I get-
that when eat it. See how it came out. And I forgot to mention that while making the dough, I used quarter cup of water more. So total 3/4 cup of water. But use the water gradually because it depends on the weather sometimes. How much water it's gonna take, and it was whole wheat, so it took a little bit extra. How does it?
It's good.
It's good.
It has a
Yeah.
perfect-
This is more like a process. You can always change the stuffing. That is good. Good. Nice.